So it was easier because it doesn't move. But this time it's alive still, so it's harder. And then we're just gonna open this carefully. Ta-da!
It's pretty big.
Yeah,
Okay.
it's big. And then we're just gonna put all the water out. Make sure that there's no shells on the manita. Wait, like, we're gonna take this off with spinning the shells. Yeah, it's big.
Okay. Spin to the side.
And then for the other side, you're gonna do the same thing, but do more carefully because this way there's no shells anymore. It's easier, but you need to be careful not dropping this new guy. Then we're just gonna hold this top part and then we're just gonna put and we're gonna cut this place. This is kaibashi. Next, we're just gonna remove this. We should wash this first. Yeah, just gonna wash this. We're gonna wash this with salt later, so you don't need to wash like
Really well.
really well. You need to wash it very quickly so that the cutting board will not be like that dirty when you're cutting. Next, we're gonna place it here, and then we're gonna cut this in the middle over here. Cut it in the middle. We're gonna cut it here too. Then you're gonna cut this. What is this circle thing? Yeah, I think. Yeah, my mom's gonna make miso soup or soup with this.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna put this in here.
Yeah, I'll wash it later.
Then we can use this part too. We're just gonna cut this in the middle so that we can wash it inside here too. So, and then yeah. So next, you're just gonna wash it with salt. And then, so what you need to do is if your cutting board is like wet, then you should wipe because we're gonna put salt on it. And then wipe the cutting board this way. Next, we're gonna use this salt. If you don't have this salt, if you have sea salt or clam salt, you could use them. But you need like a lot. I'm just gonna put it on the entire body. There. We're gonna squeeze them. And then yeah. Numeritori.
Make sure that you get rid of all the gooey stuff.
Yeah. You need to wash it very well so that it won't be bad taste. And then you need to wash this place too. Even this is not like the body, but this is skin. But you still need to wash this because you're not gonna eat it, but it's still pan to boil them. So yeah, you need to wash it very well. If you just keep squeezing, there should be like there's like brown dirty water. And then this shows that you're washing it a So we're gonna put this vinegar into the pot. We're just gonna leave it there until it's gonna turn into white. And then this is good enough. We're just gonna stop the water.
Keep the bowl. Go to the bowl.
And then we're gonna put the vinegar into the clean bowl. And it's all white, so this should be a great white bowl. So you're supposed to use the ice water, but we don't have ice water. We didn't have the ice, so we just put the water in the freezer. If it's cold enough, you're just gonna. This is the most satisfying part when like cooking a vinegar. You're gonna put this white part up. You're just gonna keep pulling. And it's long. Ta-da! Now this is the mirugai without the skin.
Okay, so that's the sashimi part. That's gonna become sashimi.
Yeah, this is gonna be a sashimi part. And this is the trash. It's so long.
And that goes to the trash.
Okay, so next we're just gonna cut the mirugai using a clean knife. We're gonna cut the mirugai into half. So after that, we're just gonna cut to like the shape of sashimi. So you can cut whatever you want into the shape. So we will skip when I will show you when I finish cutting. Now I'm tired, but